This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
The timing for certain moves differs depending on the member you're following, so be sure to check those details in the original dance shot or live performances from Morning Musume. Back up 3 steps to the right, starting on the right foot, then bring your left foot down next to your right foot. Jump to bring your feet apart as you extend your right arm straight up, index finger extended. Jump again to bring your feet together as you lower your right arm. While angling your body to the left, step back to the right on your right foot and extend your right arm straight out to the right. Step behind your right foot with your left foot as you extend your left arm straight out to the left and tilt your head back. Step in place on your right foot as you bring your right hand in to rest on your chest and tilt your head back up, then step back over to the left as you bring your left hand to your chest. Hop up to bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you extend both arms straight up, then step back over to the left with your left foot, bringing your right arm in front of your chest and your left arm behind you. Quickly swing your right arm from left to right, then push your left hand straight out to the right. Slowly move your left arm back over to the left as you swing your right arm out and forward before bringing your right hand to your chest and looking down. Jump to bring your feet closer together as you look at the camera and slowly swing your right arm up, palm facing out. Lower your right arm as you step back with your right foot so that you are facing to the right. Punch straight up with your left fist, then drop your left arm and look down to the right. Bring your right foot up next to your left foot so that you are angled to the left as you move your right fist upward in front of you. Then quickly step back to the right on your right foot and out to the left on your left foot as you move the back of your right hand to the right across your forehead, then down. Do this arm movement again. Jump slightly so that you are facing fully to the left as you throw both arms straight up, then bend your knees and look down as you drop both arms straight down. Hold your pose for 2 counts, then stand up straight, stepping back a bit with your right foot to face the camera as you slide the back of your right hand across your forehead as before. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot and bend your elbows to bring both forearms in front of your face. Move your arms out to either side as you step over to the left on your left foot, then tap your right foot down behind your left foot as you punch down to the left with your right fist and look in the same direction. While facing the camera, step over to the right on your right foot and extend your right arm straight up, then step over to the right on your left foot and extend your left arm straight up. Begin pulling both arms down as you step over to the right on your right foot again, then tap the toes of your left foot in place as you drop both arms and look to the right. Bring your left foot over near your right foot as you begin turning to the left, then step out with your right foot as your back is toward the camera. Continue turning to the left until you are facing the camera again, and kick down and to the left with your left foot as you extend your left arm in the same direction and your right arm up and to the right. Bring your left foot down and drop both arms as you bend over slightly, then hop in place for 6 counts before kneeling down.